Today I will teach you how you can earn money online without any hard skill. In this video I will give you 7 soft skill idea through which you can easily earn money on Fiverr and on Upwork. No experience required for these soft skills. Number 1, translation. Nowadays everyone knows more than one language, so you can translate documents from one language to other. There are so many regional languages in India like Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati, Punjabi, and near about every Indian knows Hindi. So you can easily translate documents from Hindi to your regional language. If you know English, then you can add English also on your Fiverr account. So go and make your gig on Fiverr for document translation. Number 2, proofread and editing. If you know more than one language, then you can definitely proofread the document. If you know Marathi, then make your gig on Fiverr. I will do proofread and editing of all your Marathi documents. Likewise, you can make your gig as per your native language, so that you will get many orders for the proofreading and editing. So go and make your gig on Fiverr. Number 3, transcription. You can easily transcribe your audio or video. Just go on Fiverr and make your gig. I will transcribe your Marathi video, Punjabi video, English video, Telugu video, Tamil video. There is no experience required for this job also. This is also a soft skill. Number 4, voiceover. This is the simplest job based on how many language you know. You can make gig on Fiverr. Like I will provide Hindi, English and Marathi voiceover. So go and make your gig on Fiverr and get orders and get clients and get money online. Earn money online. Number 5, subtitle writing. You have to just listen to video and add subtitles in that particular time frame. So this is also easy. You can easily make your gig on Fiverr for the subtitle writing. You will get orders for this also. Number 6, product description. You can easily write description of any product. So you can make your gig on Fiverr like I will do excellent product description. Then you will get many orders for the product description and you can earn very much from this gig also. Number 7, data entry. It is the easiest job you can do. Anybody can do this job. So go and Fiverr, make your gig, and you can earn money, a lot of money, by doing this kind of services on Fiverr. So if you don't have any proper skills, so go on Fiverr and make these 7 gigs. Based on these 7 gigs, you will get definitely orders on one or more than one gigs. So make your gig on Fiverr. I have given link in the description. You can download Fiverr app as you get bonus on first order when you download Fiverr from link in the description.